friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm gonna teach you how to set button lock and how to remove button lock. So before I start the video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. So without wasting time, let us start the video. So first of all, you have to go to the settings. So you have to press the setting. So you have to scroll it down now. So you see your lock screen, so you have to press this one. So you can see here first one, screen lock tab, you have to press this one. You see here button lock password, so you have to press this one, so you can draw a line. Again you have to press this continue, then again you have to draw it line, then you confirm it, you have to press done. So the button password has been set, so you have to draw it line. So it is done now. So how to remove this password? So again you have to go to the setting, you have to press the setting, then again you see here lock screen, so you have to press this one. So first one you see here, so you have to press it again, so you have to confirm it, this one. So you see here none, you have to press this one. So the password has been removed. Let's see, I will show you. No more password. So friends, before you leave this video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.